how to hide a directory or a folder in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cPanel dashboard. Next, in this page, click and enter File Manager section under File. And again here, we will need to enter public HTML directory. Here to hide a directory or a folder, we need to rename the directory. So we need to right-click on the directory, or it could be a folder. And next we need to select Rename option. And in the pop-up window, we can edit the directory name. To hide any directory here, add a period in front of the directory. And click the Rename File button below in the pop-up window. And done. The directory is hidden automatically. Any directory or folder with a name starting from period gets hidden in File Manager in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.